Zakat is not just charity, it is an obligation. It purifies your wealth and helps those in need. Allah says in the Quran, "Take from their wealth a charity by which you purify them and cause them to increase." Surah At-Tawbah 9103. Who must give zakat? Every Muslim who owns wealth above the nisab threshold, approximately 85 grams of gold or 595 grams of silver. Zakat is 2.5% of your savings, gold, business income, and investments. Where should your zakat go? To the poor and needy, to those in debt, to support education and welfare, to help new reverts to Islam. Zakat is a right of the less fortunate and a blessing for the giver. Purify your wealth this Ramadan. Fulfill your zakat and spread kindness. Follow at Ilmaya Spiritual Learning